In this video, we're comparing two popular project management tools, ClickUp versus Jira. We'll explore their core features, ease of use, customization options, collaboration tools, integrations, pricing, and customer feedback. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which tool might be the better fit for your team and workflow. Before we get started, just a quick note, some links in the description are affiliate links. That means that if you click and buy something through them, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps me support my channel. Now, let's dive right in. Starting off with ClickUp. ClickUp is often called an all-in-one productivity tool. It's designed to help teams of all sizes organize, collaborate, and manage their projects in one place. It's known for its flexibility and user-friendly design, which makes it easy for anyone to pick up and use, even if they've never used project management software before. You can customize workflows, track progress, and even manage your time, all in one platform. This versatility makes ClickUp a favorite for teams across many industries, from marketing to software development. Jira, on the other hand, is a veteran in the world of project management tools. It was created by Atlassian and has been around for over 2 decades. It's primarily designed for agile software development teams and is packed with features that cater to developers and project managers. Jira is known for its ability to handle complex workflows and large projects. While it's powerful, it's not as beginner-friendly as ClickUp. Its interface can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you're not used to agile methodologies like Scrum or Kanban. Now, when it comes to ease of use, ClickUp takes the lead. The interface is modern and intuitive, which makes it simple for new users to get started. You can set up tasks, assign them to team members, and track progress without needing much training. Jira, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve. It's built for technical teams and assumes you're familiar with agile project management. If you're new to this style of working, it might take some time to get the hang of Jira. Both tools excel in customization, but they do it in slightly different ways. ClickUp lets you tailor almost every aspect of your workspace. You can create custom dashboards, set up unique workflows, and even add custom fields to track specific details. This makes it versatile enough to handle projects of all kinds. Jira also offers a lot of customization, but it's more focused on software development. You can build detailed workflows, set up rules for how tasks move through stages, and integrate them with development tools like GitHub. While this is great for developers, it might feel like overkill for non-technical teams. Now, one of ClickUp's standout features is its focus on collaboration. It has built-in tools like real-time chat, shared documents, and even whiteboards for brainstorming. This makes it easy for teams to communicate and share ideas without switching between multiple apps. Jira doesn't have as many built-in collaboration tools, but it integrates well with other Atlassian products like Confluence for documentation and Bitbucket for code management. These integrations can streamline workflows for software teams, but they might not be as useful for other types of teams. When it comes to agile project management, Jira is the better choice. It's built specifically for agile teams and includes features like Scrum boards, burn down charts, and sprint tracking. These tools make it easy to plan sprints, prioritize tasks, and monitor progress. ClickUp also supports agile workflows, but it doesn't go as deep as Jira. It's a great choice for teams that use a mix of project management styles or aren't strictly agile. Integrations are another important factor to consider. Both ClickUp and Jira connect with a wide range of third-party tools, but Jira has the edge here. With over 3,000 integrations available, it's one of the most connected project management tools on the market. ClickUp's integration library is smaller, but still includes popular apps like Slack, Google Drive, and GitHub. If your team relies on a specific set of tools, it's worth checking which platform integrates with them before making a decision. All right, let's talk about pricing. ClickUp is known for being budget-friendly. It has a free plan that's perfect for individuals or small teams. This plan includes unlimited tasks and basic project management features. If you need more advanced tools, the unlimited plan starts at just $7 per user per month. For growing teams, the business plan costs $12 per user per month and adds features like automation and advanced reporting. There's also an enterprise plan for larger organizations, but you'll need to contact ClickUp for custom pricing. Jira's pricing is slightly higher. Its free plan supports up to 10 users, which makes it a good option for small teams. The standard plan costs $7.53 per user per month and includes additional features like audit logs and data residency. For larger teams, the premium plan is $13.53 per user per month and offers unlimited storage and advanced planning tools. Like ClickUp, Jira also has an enterprise plan with custom pricing for organizations with complex needs. Customer feedback paints a clear picture of the strengths and weaknesses of each tool. ClickUp is praised for its versatility and user-friendly design. Users love how easy it is to set up and customize, but some mention that the abundance of features can be overwhelming. Jira, on the other hand, is lauded for its powerful agile tools and reliability. However, its complexity and higher costs are common points of criticism. So, which tool is better? Well, it really depends on your team's needs. If you're looking for a versatile, all-in-one platform that's easy to use, ClickUp is a fantastic choice. It's especially great for teams that need a mix of project management styles or want built-in collaboration tools. Now, on the other hand, if you're managing large software projects and need advanced agile features, Jira is the way to go. It's a powerful tool that's been trusted by developers for over 20 years, but it's not the most beginner-friendly option. So, in conclusion, both ClickUp and Jira have their strengths. ClickUp shines with its flexibility, collaboration tools, and affordable pricing, while Jira stands out for its robust agile capabilities and deep integrations. The best choice comes down to what your team values most in a project management tool. So whichever one you choose to go for, make sure to use my links down in the description of this video if this video was helpful to you. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.